I love to tell my buyers that, of course, homeownership is like stepping stones. And one important thing to note is that sometimes a single family home for your first home isn't always the best option, or maybe you're wanting to downgrade a little bit. We all know that there's townhomes and single family homes that are offered here in Silverleaf, but did you know there's actually villas? Yes, exclusive villas here in Brook Forest and Silverleaf with dream finders. And I have 3 floor plans that we're going to walk through today and talk about all the ins and outs and benefits that they offer here in Silverleaf. Let's check them out. So there's 3 floor plans that we're going to see today, but I really wanted to highlight what's so special about these villas compared to doing a regular just townhome. Because townhomes, you typically are getting 1-car garage, lucky if you're getting 2 cars, but these all have 2-car garages, which is amazing. They have a 1-story option. They also have a 2-story option, and you only share 1 wall. I think that's the biggest downfall of townhomes typically is because you're sharing 2 walls. It's basically a glorified apartment. But with these villas, you're only sharing it with 1 neighbor, and they have some amazing views that are offered with some of their background. And they have some amazing lots that they offer here in Brook Forest. But let's go ahead and walk through the first one, which we are going to see, the Liberty. Come on. Do you want to know something so crazy to me that I keep seeing in my career, and then people who I meet are so shocked that they could actually do this? But did you know that you could save more money by not switching to Geico, but by using a real estate agent to negotiate your terms for you with new construction? I actually meet people and they're completely shocked that you could negotiate new construction, but you actually can. I actually just handled this with a client recently who thought that they wouldn't be able to negotiate the deal, either the terms or the price or the rates, everything like that, completely negotiable. I'm not kidding you. I am able to save hundreds of thousands of dollars. This year alone, I've already saved over $500,000 for my clients. My goal is $1 million. But I've already saved that much money because it is negotiable at the end of the day. Another thing that's completely wild is you haven't subscribed yet. And we can't get to the next part of this video until you do. Did you subscribe? Perfect. Let's go to the next video. Next up is the Madison 1. Now you do have a side entrance for this as you go into your patio, which is also nice for privacy, by the way, just want to mention, but let's go check it out. And last but not least for today, it's going to be the sister to the Madison 1, which is the Madison 2. And this is the second largest villa that they have available here in Brook Forest. Let's check it out. So we've seen all three options. You have the Liberty, the Madison I, and the Madison II, which all offer great floor plans. It's really crazy how they do intertwine with some of their single family homes to walk through compared to other ones. Like this one on Madison II, like I said, it feels a little bit more like a Camden with a bonus. And then the Liberty felt a lot like the Stockton. Let's talk about the neighborhood a little bit. Now, Brook Forest is located right off of Silverleaf Drive. This is going to be a gated community here in Silverleaf, exclusively dream finders, and they will exclusively have their own amenity center. Yes, that is right. No one else will have access to it except the single family homes, the townhomes, and the villas that are within Brook Forest itself. And another thing I really love about where the community is situated is the fact that I could find my shopping right down the road. I'm close to the other amenity center that's opening up in 2026. This one, hopefully, Lord willing, will be opening by next summer, but it might be next fall. They are working on it right now. It's going to have basketball courts, pickleball courts, a pool, a splash pad. It's going to have everything that you want and that you love at that main amenity center that's already built in the center of Silverleaf. So you'll have private access to this one. The only way other people can get in is if you invite them to come over. So if Karen lives in a different neighborhood that isn't Brook Forest, you don't have to see her at this amenity center if she doesn't live in Brook Forest. Also, another thing that's great is there's actually already golf cart pads along the road here on Silverleaf Drive. So you can get to those amenity centers not having to be on that major road because Silverleaf's goal is to be a golf cart community. I'm only laughing because I tried to say that 4 times. But they're trying their best to be a version of Nocatee, but not fully them, because they're going to have their own feel to it, because it's going to feel almost like the town center mixed together with a suburban lifestyle. So it'll be really interesting to see the final end of all of this as we come to a close in a couple other neighborhoods, which is so sad and it breaks my heart. But it's the fun of it. It's the fun of watching the whole entire vision come to life, and to be a part of it is amazing. But this is what we have to offer here with the villas with Dream Finders. 3 amazing floor plans. If you want to see them in person, let me know if you have any questions. I did put a lot of information in the description, but if you'd like to jump on a call, we could talk a little bit about what other options they have here. Even if single family maybe want to upgrade a little bit to go over that 2,000 square foot threshold, we can definitely talk about that. But until next time, I'm Demi Judd, and I'm here to help you become a local in no time. Bye.